Welcome to the National Conservation Commission. Today we want to speak to you about Nature's Christmas Cheer. Nature's Christmas Cheer is a fun event for the family. It's going to be taking place right here at the National Conservation Commission, just in front of our garden center on the 19th of December. Our plant nursery will be operating, will be opening from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. on that particular day, on the 19th. From 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. customers will be able to benefit from a 10% discount on selected plants. But hear this, from 5 until 8 p.m. customers will then enjoy up to 20% discount on selected plants.
So we have artists such as Jamal Slocum, Biggie Irie, and Grainer, also the police band.
Plastic bag is going to be here as well, remember that.
We are going to be making a donation to his charity, the Red Foundation, which is a charity that donates items to different communities in Barbados for the needy.
DJ Daddy Biggs is going to be with us from 5 p.m. until 11 p.m.
We're asking patrons to bring a non-perishable item and a gift for a boy or a girl.
So remember, it's a free event. The nursery is going to be open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 10% discount from 8 till 4 and up to 20% discount from 5 to 8.
Bring your chairs, your family, and come and enjoy with us.